Perseids Meteor Shower. How to watch the bright fireballs. The sky's most spectacular light show. Why the Perseids Meteor Shower has stargazers buzzing. Prepare for nature's most dazzling celestial display. One that could treat you to up to 100 shooting stars per hour if you know where and when to look. While last week treated us to simultaneous meteor showers lighting up the night sky, the real showstopper is yet to come. The Perseids Meteor Shower, widely considered the year's premier astronomical event, is about to paint the heavens with its signature bright fireballs and abundant meteors. This celestial spectacle began its run on July 17 and will continue entertaining skygazers through August 23. What makes the Perseids so special? There are two compelling reasons for its popularity. Unlike other major meteor showers, such as the quadrantids that occur during the cold winter months, the Perseids grace us during the comfortable summer season, making outdoor viewing a pleasure rather than an endurance test. But here's what really sets it apart. It's one of the year's most active meteor displays, capable of producing up to 100 meteors per hour at its peak. Even more exciting, the Perseids are famous for their dramatic fireballs, larger meteors that explode in our atmosphere, creating longer-lasting streaks that can flash in various colors. This celestial show comes courtesy of Comet 100P Swift-Tuttle, which takes 133 years to complete its orbit around the Sun. While the comet itself won't return until 2125, its last close approach was in 1992, it leaves behind a magnificent trail of debris that Earth passes through annually, treating us to this spectacular meteor display. Want to catch the show? Here's your viewing guide. The peak viewing nights are August 12th and 13th, when you could witness anywhere from 25 to 100 meteors per hour. But here's the crucial part many people miss. Location matters enormously. NASA's Meteoroid Environments Office leader Bill Cook warns that city dwellers might only spot 1 or 2 meteors per hour due to light pollution, while those in darker rural areas could see dozens. To maximize your meteor spotting success, face east and look for the constellation Perseus, where the meteors appear to originate, hence their name. While binoculars might help, avoid telescopes as they limit your field of view. But there's a catch this year. The nearly full moon could interfere with visibility, potentially reducing the number of visible meteors. Here's where it gets interesting. Some astronomers debate whether light pollution or moonlight has a more significant impact on meteor visibility. What's your take? Have you had success viewing meteors from urban areas? Or do you think a trip to darker skies is absolutely necessary? Share your experiences and viewing strategies in the comments below. Remember, even though the peak occurs in mid-August, you can spot Perseids any clear night during the shower's duration. You just need patience, dark skies, and observe gravity. Catch the Perseids Meteor Shower 2025 Best Viewing Tips. Imagine gazing up at a night sky filled with shooting stars, each one a fleeting, fiery reminder of the cosmos. The Perseids Meteor Shower, one of the most spectacular celestial events of the year, offers just that breathtaking experience. But here's where it gets controversial. This year's peak viewing might be a bit of a letdown due to a nearly full moon. Let's dive into the details and see why the Perseids are still worth watching. The Perseids Meteor Shower, reaching its zenith in mid-August, is renowned for its swift and luminous meteors. These cosmic visitors often leave behind mesmerizing trails of light and color as they zip through Earth's atmosphere. With an average of 50 to 100 meteors visible per hour, the Perseids are one of the most prolific showers of the year. This year, however, the celestial show faces a challenge. On the peak night, an 84% full moon will light up the sky, potentially obscuring many of the fainter meteors. But don't despair. The brighter meteors should still be visible, especially in the pre-dawn hours when the moon is lower in the sky. And this is the part most people miss. The Perseids are just one of 2 meteor showers visible in August, with the Alpha Capricornids adding to the spectacle. For example, on August 3, 2025, in Spruce Knob, West Virginia, a 30-second exposure photograph captured a meteor streaking across the night sky during both the Perseids and Alpha Capricornid showers. This image, courtesy of NASA Bill Ingalls, beautifully illustrates the magic of these celestial events. So, while the moon might cast a shadow over some of the Perseids' brilliance, the overall experience is still a cosmic delight. What do you think? Will you brave the conditions to catch a glimpse of these celestial fireworks? Share your thoughts in the comments.